Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Zoho. So Zoho is recruiting for the post of software developer, and all the 2020 and 2021 pass out candidates are eligible for applying for this post. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So here, Zoho company is recruiting for the post of software developer, and they are looking for software developers to work in the office of Salem and Madurai. Okay, so these are the two locations in which you will be working. And the eligible candidates are 2020 pass out, means the freshers, and 2021 pass out. They have not asked for any specific stream of graduation or anything. So all the graduates are eligible to apply for this post, but the preference will be given to persons from a software background, means all the computer science, IT background candidates will be given preference. So whether you have done BSc computer science or BTech or IT, that is BSc, IT or BTech, all these candidates are eligible, and also all the circuital branches like electrical, electronics, all these branches are eligible here, and they'll be getting preference. Okay, other graduates can also try for this. Now talking about the job description, they have given the job description as develop, test and implement new software programs, written clean and efficient code, then troubleshoot, debug and maintain existing software programs. So these are the main job description or job role. So basically you'll be doing all the software developer related jobs. You'll be writing new codes, you'll be correcting the existing ones. So that will be your job role. Okay. Also, they have given a very clear description about the selection process. So the selection process, you don't have to look into any other site or anything to know the selection process. Here itself, they have given the very clear description or the idea about how the selection process is going to happen. So the first stage will be consisting of aptitude test. It will be a general aptitude test, and the duration is 1.5 hours, means 1.5 hour duration will be there. And also they have given the requirements to attend the selection process. So in order to attend this selection process, you will be requiring a laptop or a computer with a front camera. So on the that is under the camera surveillance, you will be giving this examination. Then also you should be having a good internet connectivity. So these are the two requirements that is required for attending this selection process. Okay. So the round one is an aptitude test, which will be consisting of 1.5 hours. And the round two is programming round. The duration is 3 hours. Also, they have given the languages which they are going to check or they are going to ask during this round two. Main preference will be given to C, C++, Java. All the IT companies, mainly they look for these area of knowledge. That is, these language related knowledge they are looking for. Here also the same. C, C++, Java is the language preference given. And the duration of this programming round is 3 hours. Okay. Also, they have given the tool requirements for doing this second round. The third round is advanced programming, and the duration is again 3 rounds. Here you need to explain a logic. So you'll be given a problem statement, and you have to, it will be a complex problem statement given to you. You have to solve the problem and you have to give the solution, and you also have to explain your logic, and you have to write the code and show the output. Okay, so this is the advanced level of programming. Then also they have given the tool requirements. That is the round 3. Round 4 is technical interview, and the duration is 1.5 hours, and it will be an interview. That is a video conferencing based interview based on your technical skills, your problem solving skills and thinking skills. So that will be the fourth round, and here mainly you will be asked questions, whichever resume you are going to give to them based on your skills area in which you have, that is that you have written in your resume, based on which the questions will be asked. Okay, so all the technical related questions you can expect in this round 4. Round 5 is HR interview. The duration is 1.5 hours. Again, a video conferencing based interview with the HR. So in order to give this selection process, all the 5 rounds, you don't have to travel to any location or anything. You can give this test and all the interviews from your home itself, provided that you should be having a laptop and a computer, and you should be having good internet connectivity. Okay, so these are the requirements. Now, also they have given that the shortlisted candidates will be informed via mail, and you will be send a call letter. That is, you will be getting a call letter for your selection process, and based on the call letter, you can give the various rounds. Okay, so that is the details regarding the selection process. Very clearly they have mentioned. And also another important thing they have mentioned here is, if you have given the SOHO interview or selection, if you have attended the selection process in the past 3 months, then you are not eligible to apply here, and you are not eligible to give the selection process again. And also, if you are a student who is going to graduate in 2022 year, also you are not eligible. These two things you have to keep in mind. If you are belonging to these two categories, you don't need to apply here. Okay, so that is the details about selection process and the important points which they have mentioned here. Also, we have seen what is the eligibility criteria here, also the job description. Everything we have seen in quite detail. Now, moving on to the application form. Below this notification itself, we can see an application form. Just fill this application form and also attach your resume towards the end and just click on the submit. So this is the application form which you have to fill up. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment update from Zoho. We have seen quite a lot of things about this post. The location of posting will be in either Salem or Madurai. So whichever location you are preferred, you can apply for it. Mostly during this COVID situation, it will be work from home only. After that, you will have to relocate to either Salem or Madurai. Okay. So if you are interested, you can definitely try for this. If you are eligible to apply, that is, if you are a 2020 pass out candidate, or if you are going to get graduated in 2021, please do try for this. And the last date also they have not given, so please do apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.